You have probably heard AI companies say this model supports a 200,000 token context window or even 1 million token context window. But what does that actually mean? Does a larger context window make the AI smarter, or it simply determines how much information the AI can see at one time? Let me explain you in simplest possible way. Suppose you tell ChatGPT, my name is John. Later you ask, what is my name? The AI answers, John. Think about it. How does it answers your name correctly? It answers the name correctly because your earlier message was still available when generating the answer, and that temporary information is called the context window. So a context window is simply the maximum number of tokens an LLM can process in a single request. I'm stressing on single request. Every time you send a message, the model does not only read your latest question, it also reads everything needed to answer it. That includes the system prompt, previous messages, any RAG documents, tool request, and your current question. All of this together forms the context window. Imagine the model can process only 100 tokens. Your conversation keeps growing. Eventually, the total becomes 120 tokens. The model can't process all 120, so the oldest tokens are removed. Now, if your first message was, my name is John, that message might no longer be available. So, when you ask, what is my name, the AI may not know anymore. That not because it forgot, but because it can no longer see that information. So, does a larger context window make AI smarter? Not really. A larger context window does not make the model smarter. It simply lets the model process more information in one request. So, a larger context window is useful when you are working with lots of information. For example, long conversations, large PDFs, entire code bases, or multiple documents. The more information that fits, the less the model has to ignore. And one last thing, many people confuse memory with the context window. They are different. Memory stores information for future conversations. The context window is simply the information the model can see right now while answering your question. You can think of memory as storage and the context window as the model's current workspace, right? So remember three things. A context window is the maximum number of tokens an LLM can process in a single request. It includes your conversation, system prompt, RAG documents, and tool results. And finally, a larger context. Larger context does not make AI smarter. It simply allows the model to work with more information at once.